Hello, yeah, we're back again. And I'm sure you don't know that whining is part of cultural dance, do you? Yes, it is. So today, I'll be teaching you how to whine while dancing a cultural dance to Ogene, Dubonche, any of them. Even your Ikorodu, you know. Yeah. So, click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Okay? So we can do something like this. See what I'm doing? Move forward, come back. Forward, come back. Like that. So can you try rotating your wrist like like this? Yeah, I'm keeping my hand here so you can see what my wrist is doing. I think I'm a bit closer, okay? Like this. So you can actually use your hand. You know, this is cultural dance. So you can use your hand abadas actually and move. Did you see that? Like that. You have to learn it, but that's the only way you can dance this. Okay? Let me give you a tip of what it looks like. You know, continues like that. And you can now change. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Okay? So if you need it to something like that, just and you can do your hand anyhow you want to. You can't keep your two legs straight. One have to be up. Alright? That's the only way you can do this. Yes. Can you try it now? Move from like up and do like this. You go up, go down. Like that. That's how it gets. Yes. Can we try music now? Oh, it's a bit difficult. Okay, let's try it again. See what I'm doing with my hand? Like this. So you don't move two of your hands together. Then you can also do something like this. Like you want to clap somebody. No handshake. One, two, one, two. So it depends on how you want to move your hand, your body. But make sure you don't move both of them. Okay, you can even move both of them. That's a different style. When you move both of your hands. And at a point, you start using one. Like that. Like that. Okay, can you try it now? Let's get started. One, two, one, two, one, two. Just make sure you're using your waist and both of your hands. So let's try this one with music. Then you can use both of your hands together with your legs. So that's it. Just make sure it's like that. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, guys, that's the end of our tutorial today. As you can see, I'm sweating. Dancing is not easy. And I'm sweating already. Oh, Nigeria is too hot. So tell them that this is the one Suka said. If I'm gonna work out, it's gonna be through dancing. Feel me? Yeah. So let's get this going. Join us during our dance tutorial and let it be fun.